Glam Fam, I'm Maddie and welcome to my channel. If you have not yet became an official Glam star, all that you have to do is hit that subscribe button in order to become one, and let's go ahead and get right into this video. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all reasons why you should work out during your cycle. I know that this video was highly requested for tips on ways to make your workouts during your period better, and I really can't share with you all any information on that. My biggest thing is just do it. I can't really give you all any tips on, you know, feeling less uncomfortable or anything like that because I don't really know any tips for that. But what I can share with you all is reasons why you should work out during our least favorite time of the month, which is our cycles, and or as I like to call it, our exclamation point. Let's go ahead and let's get started. Now here are some of the benefits of exercising while on your exclamation point. The physical and mental benefits of exercising don't stop just because you have your cycle. In fact, sticking with a routine can actually help to ease some of the common complaints of our exclamation point. Number 1, decrease PMS symptoms. If you experience fatigue and mood swings in the days leading up to your cycle, regular aerobic exercises may lessen those symptoms. Number 2, experience more strength and more power. A study found that the first 2 weeks of your menstrual cycle, day 1 being the first day of your period, may allow you to experience greater gains in strength and power due to lower levels of female hormones. Exercise also tends to alleviate cramps, headaches, and back pain, which can sometimes be associated with us getting our cycles. Number 3, working out may also help you to combat painful periods. If you experience painful periods, also called dysmenorrhea, you know all too well how uncomfortable this time of the month can be. The good news is that exercises such as light walking may help you to decrease those symptoms. Now here are some of the best exercises to do during your cycle. The first few days of your period may be the most uncomfortable. Honey, I know from experience, okay? Especially if you tend to bleed a lot during this time. That's why a focus on gentle activities and exercises should top your list of priorities. Number 1, light walking and other light cardio. Keep your cardiovascular and aerobic exercises at a lower intensity or back off on the amount that you do. Consider light cardio, walking, or shorter bouts of aerobic exercise. There's research supporting the idea that your lungs work better towards the end of your cycle. So consider keeping that type of training for the end of your period. Number 2, low volume strength training and power-based activities. Due to the potential for an increase of strength during this time, including low volume strength training and power-based activities is a smart move. This is a great time to do longer flow sessions that involve a mix of strictly strength and cardio. Here is the bottom line and the reason why you should definitely work out during your cycle. Regular exercise is beneficial for your body and your mind. There is absolutely no scientific reason that you should skip out on workouts during your cycle. In fact, there's evidence that working out can be more helpful during this time. The bottom line is this: continue with exercise but back off on the intensity of working out, especially if you are feeling fatigued. Vary your workouts and take extra time to recover and honor what you are capable of. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I will leave all of my sources down below for information on me making this video. And before I leave this video, I'm not going to leave you all hanging. Let me share with you all my glam star of the day. I want to thank you so much for your sweet comment, and thank you for watching and supporting me. It is always greatly appreciated. And if you are looking to be featured in my next video, all that you have to do is leave a comment down below. Make sure that your post notifications are turned on, because when you're first to comment, that boosts your chances of being featured in my next video. And that is it for this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you don't have anything else to comment down below, please comment what you are, and that is a star. Always remember to keep glamming, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.
Not letting me, yeah, get through to you. Yeah, if you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do.